Hello everyone and welcome back to Tidbit Mom. Today we are going to do a phonic drill. Yes, as promised, I'm back with a video related to phonics. And phonics are really very important because you need to know how the particular letter sounds. So let's get started with the letter A. So for today's lesson, I'll be telling you the sound of the vowel A, and you need to listen the sound very carefully and recognize that A has that particular sound. So right, let's get started. So the letter A has an sound. You need to notice how I am opening my mouth. A. So let's just practice some words with AT at the end. Do notice each and every sound and especially the sound in between of the words. So let's get started. Bat, cat, hat, rat, mat, fat. So do you notice the sound in all of them? Now let's look at some words with an at the end. Man, pan, ran, van, fan, can. Words with ag at the end. Tag, rag, fag, bag. Last but not least, words with ap at the end. Tap, map, nap, cap. So basically, did you notice the sound in each and every word I told today? So I think that was it. But before going, let's just read together some text. So to make you more comfortable with all these sounds, I had prepared a small imitation section for you, and you need to repeat with me. You need to put the stress on the words I am stressing and exactly say the way I am saying. So let's get started. And for this, I need to take my notebook. Let's start. The man is fat. He sat on the mat. The man has a pan. He ran to the tap with the pan. The second text is, the cat met a rat. They sat on the mat. They had a chat. So please do notice all the sound in the entire text. Right, that's it for today's video, and I think I should end the video here. If you like the video, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you didn't subscribe yet. And I'll see you soon in some another video. Till then, bye.